Nebo has 3 distinct parts, and so far, we have covered 1. In this video, we'll be going through everything you need to know about the Notes pages in Nebo, which is the second part of the app. Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless X, a channel dedicated to easing your digital transformation. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Congratulations to these 10 lucky winners. Please contact us on social media, that is Instagram or Facebook, to claim your promo code. We hope that Noteful will improve your digital note-taking experience. And if you don't know where to begin, we have an ongoing course for Noteful on our other channel, Paperless Humans. And thank you very much to everyone who participated. Initially, when the Notes pages were introduced, they were basic and only good for brainstorming ideas. In 2023, they can do so much more. The infinite canvas expands in all directions, giving you an endless page to write on. The app has 4-page templates with 8 color options for them. Line spacing is affected by how zoomed in you are on the page. It's difficult to understand how line spacing works in Notes pages. The zoom range varies from 30 to 400%. We love that you can now lock your zoom and not have to worry about it changing while you're taking your notes. The 150% zoom level seems to have the most ideal line spacing. If you haven't seen the review we did on the documents pages in the app, we recommend you do that to understand the basic writing tools in the app, because those don't change throughout the app, no matter what part of the app you're in. We will have a link to that video in the description down below. Zooming also affects your pen thicknesses. Trying to strike a balance between line spacing and pen thickness using the zoom tool is the worst pen customization we have experienced in any note-taking app. Once you've written your notes, you can still change their color, but nothing else. You can use the smart highlighter that straightens out to make your highlights look neat. Or you can use the freehand one. Both go behind your ink so they don't dim your notes. You can layer the freehand highlighter but not the smart one. Nebo now lets you erase just the highlighter only, which is great. You can add photos and text boxes to your notes. Nebo supports PNG images that you can resize, shrink, or stretch. We would love the ability to rotate or crop our images as well. You can format your text to make it bold, underlined, double underlined, struck out, or highlighted. You can also change your text color and size. Nebo has never had font options, so that's not surprising to see that it's not there for our text boxes. It would be lovely to have though. The app supports different kinds of lists, numbered, unnumbered, and checklists that you can add levels to. Checklists still need some work. The app should at least dim or strike out completed tasks. Both would be better. Notes pages in Nebo also support regular and irregular shapes. Straight and curved lines, as well as arrows. Drawing lines and arrows for mind mapping is especially difficult though. The app makes errors that keep reappearing even after you fix them. Which is frustrating. You also can't do much with most of your drawn shapes except resize, shrink, or stretch them. We hope to see the flexibility we have with straight and curved lines on all our shapes as well. We managed to adjust one shape though. Seems to have this ability for some shapes, but not all of them. The Lasso tool can pick up everything to move or resize it. You can't rotate it though. Picking up images, shapes, and text boxes alone is easy. Even though the Lasso tool has no selectivity options, you can pick up handwritten notes even when they're very close to other items on the page. Nebo can pick up single words from text boxes. We're not sure how useful it is though, but we love it. You can convert your handwriting to text or copy to paste it as text, sketches, maths, and diagrams. When you need more space to write, simply add it between already existing notes. This is not the only gesture you have in this part of the app. You can also make your text or handwriting bold, and the eraser gestures work. The infinite canvas makes it easy to spot search results for small notes. We are still to test this on bigger canvases with a lot more notes. Nebo highlights your results so they're easy to spot on your page. The app searches through both your handwriting and text, but it doesn't search through words in your images, which is a bit limiting. Nebo is evolving into a unique note-taking app, and we're excited about that. However, the zoom, shapes, and pen tools still need some polishing. Do you think the current features in Nebo's notes pages are enough to take decent handwritten notes? Let us know in the comments below. If you have won a Noteful promo code, Congratulations again. Please don't forget to contact us on social media, Instagram or Facebook, to collect your promo code. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next video.